I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemonade the easy way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Having a good juicer and a large pitcher ready will make the process even smoother. These basic items are all you need to start crafting a refreshing drink. Now, let's get that delicious lemon juice. Start by rolling your lemons firmly on a countertop. This helps release more juice. Then, simply cut each lemon in half and use your juicer to extract about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget to strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to catch any seeds or unwanted pulp, ensuring a smooth lemonade. Next, we'll create a simple syrup, which is key for dissolving sugar easily. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once clear, remove it from the heat and allow the syrup to cool down fully. This step prevents grainy lemonade. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your cooled simple syrup into a large pitcher. Add the 1 cup of freshly strained lemon juice. Then slowly stir in the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. For the best flavor, chill your homemade lemonade for at least 30 minutes before serving over ice. Enjoy your refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.